Cart abandonment costs online stores millions in lost sales. But what if you could turn browsers into buyers with a simple, yet powerful solution? Introducing Woolentor's Cart Reserved Timer, a powerful feature designed to drive conversions. With this smart functionality, you can automatically apply a coupon code or clear the cart once the timer expires, creating a sense of urgency to complete purchases and boosting sales. Customize timer duration. Style your messages and choose from multiple display options. Set different timers for specific products or categories with our Pro version. Reduce cart abandonment, protect your inventory, and boost sales conversion rates, all with one powerful feature. Getting started is easy. Simply enable the module, set your preferred duration, and watch your conversions grow. Transform your WooCommerce store today with Woolentor's Cart Reserved Timer.